Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2006 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 Classic LT model. This bike's got a little over 14,000 miles on it and is in excellent condition. It does have a couple of scrapes on the front fender, which I'll show you when we walk around, but other than that, the bike's in great shape and looks and shines well. So let's take our walk around it. Bike comes with a clear windscreen. And here's what I was talking about with a couple of little scratches on the front fender. But they're pretty minimal. We're going to be putting a new front tire on this bike. It also comes with the lower air dams. It has highway bars, footboards for the driver, a tank bib, footboards for the passenger, soft side saddlebags, passenger backrest and luggage rack combo. As you can see by the back tire, that's in good shape. Got a lot of miles left on that. So, saddlebag, footboards, passenger, driver. Also has a heel toe shifter on it, along with the highway bars again. This windscreen also comes with a tool pouch and a 12-volt accessory. Plus it has a throttle lock. For being 10 years old, this bike really shines well. It's good looking. 14,312 is what's on it. This Vulcan 2000 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.